All set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Aloha. Break quickly at the start. And the ribbon is down on the inside. Grand Sensation just right. Paradiso Ferlin, while and this Ram is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, Aloha. Thunder Ribbon is running by the rail. 4 lengths further back in third comes Just Right. Grand Sensation comes next, Ferlin. Paradiso, while Andy's Ram is still racing in less. Half mile distance they traveled with Thunder Ribbon. Aloha are matching their strides together. 6 lengths further back in third, Just Right. Grand Sensation now trying to get closer in fourth. Ferlin and this Ram now to take 6, while Paradiso now running at the tail of the field. Another fourth turn, Thunder Ribbon. Aloha, then here comes Grand Sensation, slowly but surely now coming closer and stronger. And this Ram now to take fourth. Then comes Just Right, Ferlin and Paradiso as they swing for home. We have Thunder Ribbon. Grand Sensation now saying it's my turn to take the lead. Last 100 meters, we have Grand Sensation now by about 4 lengths, followed now by Andy's Ram and finally Grand Sensation. Andy's Ram, Aloha, Thunder Ribbon, then comes Just Right.
3, 6, 5, 7.